Welcome to Doomsday Prepper, your ultimate guide to safety and preparedness. In today's world, it's crucial to be prepared for all types of emergencies, including the unthinkable, an active shooter situation. In this video, we'll show you how to build an active shooter bag that could potentially save your life. Preparing for an active shooter scenario is something we hope you'll never need, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Today, I'm going to walk you through the essential items to include in your active shooter bag, starting with a bulletproof backpack. Number 1. First up is the bulletproof backpack. This backpack not only functions as regular storage for your essentials, but its bulletproof panels provide an extra layer of protection. In the event of an active shooter, this backpack can serve as a shield to protect vital areas while you seek cover or evacuate. Number 2. Next, we have the Basic Tactical Plus First Aid Kit. This kit includes essential first aid components to address injuries that may occur. It's crucial to have items like bleeding control wraps, bandage shears, nitrile exam gloves, trauma bandages, and the SWAT-T tourniquet. These tools can help manage severe bleeding and other injuries until professional help arrives. Number 3. Window punch, flashlight. A window punch and flashlight combo is another key item. The window punch can break glass, allowing you to escape through windows on the ground floor if necessary. The crank flashlight provides a reliable light source without the need for batteries, which is especially useful if the power goes out or you're in a dark room. Number 4. Heavy-duty zip ties, 10-pack. Heavy-duty zip ties can serve multiple purposes in an emergency. They can be used to keep the closer arm of a hydraulic door from opening more than a few inches, effectively slowing down or deterring an intruder. Additionally, they can be used to restrain an active shooter if they are subdued. Number 5. Doorstop. A simple doorstop can be an effective tool to slow down an active shooter. Placing a doorstop under the door can make it harder for someone to force their way in, buying you crucial time to barricade the door further or escape. Number 6. Marker. A marker might seem like a basic item, but it has important uses. You can use it to mark the time a bandage was applied, which is vital information for medical personnel. It can also be used to write messages to communicate with law enforcement or others if you're unable to speak. Number 7. Emergency fire escape ladder. If you're in a multi-story building, an emergency fire escape ladder is a must-have. This ladder can help you safely evacuate from second-story windows in case your primary exit routes are blocked. It's compact and can be quickly deployed, providing an alternative escape route. Number 8. First aid tape. First aid tape is essential for securing bandages and gauze. It ensures that dressings stay in place, which is critical when dealing with wounds and trying to control bleeding. Make sure to include a roll in your kit. Number 9. Bleeding control wraps. Bleeding control wraps are designed to apply pressure and stabilize wounds. They're a key component in managing severe bleeding, which can be life-threatening. These wraps are compact, easy to use, and highly effective. Number 10. Bandage shears. Bandage shears are necessary for cutting through clothing, tape, and bandages quickly and safely. They're designed to prevent further injury while allowing you to access and treat wounds efficiently. Number 11. Exam gloves, 2 pair. Exam gloves protect both you and the person you're treating from potential infections. They're a barrier against blood and other bodily fluids, and having at least 2 pairs ensures you can stay protected while providing aid. Number 12. Trauma bandage. A trauma bandage is a versatile dressing that can be used to cover large wounds and control bleeding. It's a critical item for any first aid kit and can be life-saving in a crisis. Number 13. SWAT-T stretch, wrap and tuck tourniquet. The SWAT-T tourniquet is a simple yet effective tool for stopping severe bleeding from extremities. It's designed to be easy to apply under stress and can also be used as a pressure dressing or elastic bandage. Number 14. Compressed gauze. Compressed gauze is used to pack wounds and control bleeding. It's compact, lightweight, and expands when applied, making it an essential item for any trauma kit. All these items together create a comprehensive active shooter bag. This bag is designed to help you stay safe, provide first aid, and potentially escape dangerous situations. Remember, the goal is to be prepared for the worst while hoping for the best. Having these tools at your disposal can make a significant difference in an emergency. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Doomsday Prepper for more safety and preparedness tips. Stay safe, stay prepared. See you next time on Doomsday Prepper.